If you look right on my screen, you can be seeing that you can earn up to €7 per survey. And if you can see right here, join the community and earn cash by canceling our first survey. Just sign up just in 3 seconds, 100% free. You can earn up to 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, or more per day using this website. And guess what? It's free, no investment, no experience. So if I just come down right here, you can see right here how it works. So you can see how it works right here. You select the best survey on the market. You answer, you earn cash. Register for free. In just few seconds, you join the community. That's the everyday response to survey and surveys. In just few seconds, you join the community. Right here, you can see pocket your money, treat yourself, request withdrawal of your money, and round up your end. But don't come right, you can see that this site right here, you can see the registered users right here. You can see more than 2 million members right here. You can see available 82 countries right. You can see survey launch. You can see right here. You can see 10 million commission donated. So you can see join today and start earning cash right away. So but before that, my name is Emmanuel. Basically, what I did today that I made videos how to make money alive. What I did that I tried to alive. I find out something working for me. I record video by sharing you guys what I'm doing so I can do something and get advanced results. So if you are new on my channel, all I want you to do is just to subscribe and turn on notification. So you need to watch this video to the very end so that you understand how everything works. So if you click the first link in description, it will bring you right here. All you need to do is just to put your last name, put it your surname, put your first name, put your email address, put password that you can remember, put your country right here, put your date of birth, and click on this continue. It will bring you right here. Just click on agree. It will bring you right here. Just click on I complete my profile. Now right here for you to activate your account, all you need to do is just to go to your email address. Just go to your email address and click on this. If you click on it, you bring it right here. Just activate your account. Just click on confirm your email right here. So right here, once you have confirmed your email right here, all you need to do is just click on this complete my profile. Now after successful registration, this is what your account will look like, or this is what my account look like. If I click on this access to paid survey, you can see right here that you can see available survey right here. You can see right here, if you complete this one right here, you can be earning 149 naira. This one right, if you complete this one right, you'll be earning 126 naira. If you complete this one right, you'll be earning 280 naira. If you complete this one right, you'll be earning 120 naira. This one right here, 82 naira. This one right here, 156 naira. This one right here, 65 naira. This one right here. So you can do as many jobs as you want right here and earn. So there's always job for you here to perform and earn for free. You are earning for free. So this is how this website look like, and this side right here also have a referral program. If you click on this dot right here, just click on this membership right here. You can see right here that you can earn 10%. You can see right here, sponsor your friends and get 10% of their earnings for life. So whatever your friends earn on this site, you are getting 10%. So right here, you can also, if you want to withdraw your money, just click on this money withdraw. You can see that it's insufficient. Minimum withdrawal right here is 10,000 naira. Once you complete and reach 10,000 naira, you just withdraw your money. So this is how this website works. So this is how this website works. You can come right here. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask questions. Just click right here and ask your question right here. So once your money reaches 10,000 naira, you withdraw your money. So because it's the minimum withdrawal. So always perform tasks because there is always available tasks for you to perform. So if I actually give a value in this video, all I want to do for me just to subscribe and turn on notification. And don't forget to like and share this video.